A car just ran into this truck, y'all. A car just ran into this truck. Now the driver of this truck said he didn't hit the person in the car, but the person in the car hit him. And here's the car down here. I'm gonna run down here and see if they okay. You all right, sir? All right. I hope they okay. We about to check it out right now. I'm first on the scene before the ambulance and police get here. Let's go check on the driver.
The police on their way. You welcome.
Call ambulance?
I guess they're gonna call the ambulance. I just called 911.
Tell them they need an ambulance too, just in case. She hit a truck.
Yeah, she's okay. Her wrist just hurt.
You okay, Mel?
She's just in shock. My hand is very shook.
Somebody's on the way to help you, okay?
Because we was gonna call her when it happened.
I spoke to the truck driver. He said she hit her. She didn't stay in her.
What happened is when she turned, I guess she didn't see him. And she was in his lane and he hit her. I mean, that's the only other option, unless he would have ran into this building or hit that truck right there.
I'm glad she's
So
okay.
basically she pulled out in front of him.
That's what he said.
Yeah. She probably didn't see it, but
I thought it was an explosion. It was real loud. I was way down the street. Huh? Ma'am, you got your key turned off? Make sure it's off, okay? Oh my God, yo, she hit a truck, y'all. She hit a dumpster truck. You know what I mean? One of them big Mack trucks, man. I'm glad she okay, man. Oh my God, bro. Let's go get some information from this guy again, man. And to remind y'all, I'm out here door dashing, man. You know, I heard the whole thing. I was way down the street this way where I'm walking right now, and then it was like, boom! Like, what was that, bro? Excuse me, sir. What happened now?
Who?
What happened? You can find this on Open Mind Entertainment, and it'll be
Hey, listen, man, let me go back in and make sure you think here okay.
You okay though?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, and who hit you first?
Well, she did.
She hit you
I
first.
mean, just look right there. You can check the tire. You can tell she just T-boned my truck.
Yes, sir. And are you okay?
Yeah, I'm great.
You're a little shooken up, I can tell.
I just got off.
God is
phone
with you,
the
man.
boss.
I went to go speak to her. She's breathing. She's okay. And the Lord is with both of y'all. All right, I came back down here to check on you and to see if I can get what exactly happened. We understand that she hit you first, and hey, man, as long as she's still here breathing, mistakes happen, man. You get to see another day, and you get. Yes, sir. Yeah, go talk to her, man.
Back a little bit.
Now let her stay right here. Stay right here. Don't move. Don't move. I see you. Yeah, the ambulance coming too for her, but according to witnesses down there, they said that they seen her hit you first.
Yeah.
So just make sure you explain that to the officers, sir. But if you need any more evidence or information, Open Mind Entertainment.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's going got everything you said. Okay. All right. Open Mind Entertainment, sir. You guys, the truck driver is going to go talk to the lady. He's very shooken up. He is okay, and he just stated that he's going to go check on her. The police is now arriving. They is on scene. The ambulance will be en route. You guys, I was here first on scene. You guys saw here on Open Mind Entertainment. I still got work I need to do and complete. You guys drive safe out there. Be aware of your surroundings, man. Anything can happen in the flash of a bang, just like that. You guys drive safe, man. Stay on high alert. Be on your surroundings. And before I end this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my 2 cents because I actually seen when she was turning in.
Stay out the road, please. If you're not involved in this, you might at least just stand out the road. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
You got nothing better to do. At least do that out the road.
I'm recording what happened, sir.
Okay, well, please get out the road.
You told me once already. I said okay.
You had to listen.
I said okay. Why are you yelling at me?
You had to listen.
But you saw me nod my head though, did you?
I do my job, not worry about you.
I ain't say nothing to you, sir. You getting mad with me. I'm just recording what happened, okay?
Did you record the wreck? That helped me out.
I can tell you what happened if you speak to me nicely. See, I got you getting uppity with me, and I'm over here being quiet, sir.
It just makes me nervous when someone's walking around me and around.
But you saw my head nod, did you? I said yes. You saw me. I wasn't being disrespectful to you.
Call them, or do you want me?
She's got somebody on the way to help her.
How you doing?
Just at C3. Blackboro Road and Cat Street.
I'm surprised it didn't go off. Did you see the red bus?
Sir,
Did you see the red?
he ran into her, sir.
Did you see the red?
I didn't see it, I heard it. But I did get information from the truck driver. He said he was in the right lane and she turned right into him. He did say he wanted to come down here and check on her, but he was going to stay in place until the officer get here. He's down there waiting for you to speak to him patiently, sir. Like, what is this guy's problem, man? Like, he asked me nicely the first time to stay out the road, and I was nodding my head okay. And then he just persisted on telling me to get out the road, or after I was already out the road, man. Like, I was like, man, you see me nod my head like, yes, sir, I'm getting out the road. I'm just recording what's going on. And he started to yell at me like, dude, hold your fucking badges on your chest, man. It's nothing that serious, man. I'm just recording what happened. This is how quickly and fast these police officers get hostile with you, man, for no reason. Protect and serve, man. They yell at you like you're their children's. As of right now, he's the only officer on the site, and he will be dealing with this accident. You guys seen this first here on Open Mind Entertainment. If you want to know what happened more, just look it up in the Augusta area on Rhino Street, downtown Augusta. It might be on the news later, or you might can find it on Google. Sir, what's your name? Deputy Darley, if I got that right. You guys be safe out there. Back on my job. Trying to get back to the money. Open Mind Entertainment, you seen it right here. Stay on high alert, you guys. Be aware of your surroundings, man. Look left, look right, man. Look twice. Drive safe, man. I'm glad she's all right, man. She's still breathing, but she is shooken up.